look like a poo-poo. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen!
Wala pa gali na isa. Oh.
Welcome to Abby's Kitchen! Today we're gonna make a yummy donut. So we have this is our flour.
Sugar.
This is our flour, sugar,
Oats.
oats,
Baking powder.
making powder,
Vanilla.
vanilla, chocolate, making soda. This one are the spoons. So we have our milk, egg. So we're gonna do it. So which one pa?
So,
Which one pa? This one? This one pa? This one pa, mommy?
so now we will put first the flour.
The flour. We're gonna use the spoon. Can I use the spoon?
Ibutang na diretso.
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Wow.
And then the sugar.
Where's the sugar? This one?
No, near you.
Mirror you?
Color blue.
The color blue? This one?
Yeah. Next, the chocolate.
Next, the chocolate. Petoplos up there. Huh? Next, the
Oats.
oats. This is the oats.
Yes.
Okay, the red one. Whoa, there's a lot of them. Next, the
Cinnamon.
cinnamon. This one?
Katon yun.
This one? Okay. This. Then which one then?
The baking powder.
This one? Got this.
Baking
Then,
soda.
then the making soda. Then the...
Then mix it.
No! This one!
Later pa na. Later.
Then mix it. Then let's mix it. First mix it.
Smells again, Abby.
Huh?
Smell.
I'm the chef. I'm the kitchen chef. Now the ingredients. So we do
Milk first.
milk first.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta put the milk.
Now we're gonna put the milk. Milk. Ooh, that's enough.
And then the butter.
Then the butter. Ooh, that's a lot. Now this one,
Vanilla.
vanilla.
Kaya ubos mo.
No, can you crack this, mommy? You will crack the egg. Very good. Then mix it.
Yes.
Then mix it with this one. I heard it. Look, I heard them. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Is it Christmas already?
Now, the wet ingredients to the dry.
Okay, go.
How I can put it?
Put on. Slowly. Oops. There you go.
Then,
Mix it with this one.
okay.
And then mix it.
Then mix it. Whoa. Look like a baby food, mommy. I'm a baby. I'm eating. I'm a baby. Looks like a baby food because it looks like I'm a baby mixing. Looks like I'm making. Look this. Ew. Looks like a poo poo. Looks like poo poo. Just mix so carefully para dili matulo. Here. So you don't mess it up to put it on the floor. So you just mix like this. You just mix like this, mommy, okay? You just mix like this, guys. I'm gonna eat this.
Uy.
Sorry, guys. it's not, this can be a donut.
So we'll just make a
So we just make a cookie.
cupcake.
A cupcake. So it's ready! Now let's wait for it! I'm gonna blow it. Now let's try it. Padol lang din. Padol, dari kami padol sa camera. Ha! Ipakita sa camera. I-show. Dito. Sige, dari. Yan, anak diri. Diri sa camera. Yan na, Bo. Ano? Di, kani. No, let's try it. Ano ka? Look. Ano din ka? Sige. Yan.